Welcome to the world of financial tax planning, where every decision can shape your financial future. At Davies Wealth Management, we know that navigating tax strategies is crucial for your financial health. Start by identifying all your income sources, from salaries to side hustles, to understand your tax liability. Recognize your tax bracket to make informed decisions on deductions and credits. Did you know only 11% of taxpayers itemize deductions? Don't miss out on potential savings. For professional athletes, tax planning is even more complex, with multi-state income and endorsement deals. Regular tax reviews are essential as your life evolves, allowing you to seize new opportunities. Maximize retirement savings and explore tax-efficient investments like tax loss harvesting. Charitable giving also offers tax benefits. Partnering with a financial advisor can transform your tax strategy. They provide expertise in complex tax laws, personalized strategies, and a long-term perspective. At Davies Wealth Management, we offer tailored solutions to optimize your financial future. Visit us today and take control of your tax planning journey.